Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are blogging with Squarespace in 2026, scheduling posts is a must if you want to stay consistent, professional and stress-free. So write once, publish later, stay consistent without being online, perfect for content planning and SEO. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to schedule a blog post in Squarespace into 2026 cleanly, correctly and without mistakes. So first thing first, log into Squarespace. So log into your account, go to pages, blog, okay, and then click plus to create a new post, okay. So you have to have a blog in whether here or here in main navigation or not linked, okay, or open an existing draft, okay. So you can schedule new or existing post. So open post settings, okay. So for example, let's take this as an example, or this one, for example this one, okay. So um, inside the block editor, click settings, go to options or post settings, okay. So this is where scheduling happens, okay. So in the settings panels, enable set publish dates, choose a future date, choose a specific time. The post will stay hidden until that moment, okay. So before saving, go to settings and language and region, confirm your time zone. Publishing time follows your site time zone, not your local device time, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.